to hear it again.
Mommy, I got the pictures ready.
Oh, you got the pictures ready? Oh, okay. Well,
I will stop. Tiny, what's up?
okay.
What's happening? Tiny, I will stop. Tiny, I will stop. Tiny, I will take. Go. Mommy. Him playing his mommy.
He had fun with his mommy?
Hey, play her mommy. Hey, play her mommy. I'm not passing.
Oh, aren't you going to read me the book still?
I'm in the passing.
Oh, I don't know where that is, baby.
My water.
Oh, you want your water? Okay, here you go. Are you all done reading?
No.
Oh, you're just taking a drink?
Yeah.
I'll turn it up.
There you go. Are you still reading? Hey, Boo. Are you still reading? Oh, here you go.
Tiny, let's hear them. Let's hear them.
Yeah, I want to hear it again.
Ready?
Yeah. Got the pictures ready?
Tiny, Elvis, Tiny was happy. Tiny, Elvis dog. 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 Tiny was happy. Tiny area star. Tiny was happy. Tiny area dog. Tiny was happy. Tiny was cock. Tiny was cat. Tiny area stuck. Daddy said, I'm excited.
Is Daddy taking a picture of me?
Yeah.
And maybe Daddy's taking a picture of you. Oh, that was a good smile.
Millie, am I taking a picture of Mommy?
Yeah.
I am.
Yeah.
Millie, what were you reading?
Color books.
You're reading your coloring books? What was in them?
There was saw babies in it.
Yeah.
It's Tiny, it was dog.
Charlie the Ranch Dog.
Yeah.
What else does it say about Charlie the Ranch Dog?
See, big, so big.
He's big.
It's Tiny, it was dog was happy. Tiny, a real dog. Damn.
The end.
Oh, yeah, you can read me the monkey book.
Why don't you lean back?
Here, can you read it? Here, can you show it to Daddy too when you read it?
Millie, can you read it to me?
Oh, I think to mommy.
And then just read to Mommy.
Can you read the monkey book again?
I'll read this one next. Alright.
All right.
Tiny area stuck. And that's
Okay.
tiny area stuck. And that's it.
That's it?
That's it. That's a short story, Millie.
Here, what about this one?
It was dog.
Here's Charlie the Ranch Dog.
Yeah, yes. Tiny area stuck.
Which one is that one?
Oh. Susie.
Susie.
Susie? Oh, go, books.
Oh,
Okay, Millie, bye-bye.
Bye.
I love you. Millie, say I love you.
There's a bunny.
There's a bunny? What does a bunny do?
Pop, pop.
I love you.
Love you.